natural gas prices continue to struggle for sustained gains, as market fundamentals remain weighed down by oversupply and mild seasonal demand. Although last week saw a modest technical bounce off multi-month lows, the overall picture still favors bearish conditions, particularly without a weather-driven demand surge or meaningful storage drawdowns. U.S. natural gas fundamentals remain bearish as production stays high and demand softens. Lower 48 output is near 107.9 billion cubic feet per day, up roughly 3.7% year-on-year. Domestic consumption lags behind, around 69.7 billion cubic feet per day, about 6% below last year's levels. Storage levels remain elevated at 3,721 billion cubic feet, about 154 billion cubic feet above the 5-year average, showing that the market remains well supplied. LNG exports hover near 16.2 billion cubic feet per day, but global demand, particularly in Europe, remains weak, with storage facilities still comfortably full. These conditions limit the impact of U.S. LNG flows on domestic balances. The main potential bullish driver is colder than expected winter weather, which could lift heating demand and temporarily tighten supply. Otherwise, the market remains fundamentally bearish. Nevertheless, the current weather outlook remains unsupportive for natural gas prices, with warmer than normal temperatures expected across most of the U.S. at least through early November. Prices recently bounced off multi-month lows near $2.90 but remain in a bearish setup. Support is seen around $2.93, with a secondary zone at $3. A sustained long-term trend reversal is unlikely until prices break above $3.50, while the 52-week moving average near $4 continues to act as strong resistance. As long as prices remain below $3.50, and especially under the $4 mark, bears retain control. A decisive breakout above $3.50 could shift momentum toward neutral or mildly bullish territory. If $2.93 breaks, further downside toward the $2.50 zone becomes likely. Nevertheless, a short-term rebound remains possible, as natural gas is currently deeply oversold. Don't forget to drop a comment, check out the last video and support the channel. Catch you in the next one.